Hey guys, welcome back to my chili. But today we're gonna open some more Pokemon cards. Today it's not mine. Dun. It's Nahan's. Yeah.
Hello. Hey
Yeah,
guys.
Perfect.
So
So it's his. So I'm gonna do the packets. He's gonna open the tin. So
let's
start. He's gonna beat the camera. So yeah. So it's X-Ray Flash Fire and black and white version. So let's do this. So
This is our first packet.
Come on, bro. Some luck. Oh God.
Let's
Oh my God. How hard is this? Guys, just a second. Start.
Hey guys.
So guys, first card already. Wonderful trainer card, Leandre. Full. Yeah. So this one is the first card. Too good, dude. So Leandre full art trainer. I'm gonna keep that at. Toxic
Oh my
EX. Already, what a pack.
I got lucky.
Logis.
Wait.
Team Plasma Grunt.
Darsh, can you please move your hand? Yeah. So yeah, this
No,
is the
no,
card.
not here,
If you
dude.
didn't see. No, I'm just showing.
Jolteon.
Yeah.
Vanillix. Shadow type Trainer. Ursaring. And last one, Ocletry. So guys, already you can see this, the full art and the Toxic Rook EX.
Oh,
so
God.
wonderful start. Let's try to open the second pack too. I mean, like, it's very difficult to open it. Oh, that was some.
Oh God, I can see the good thing.
So yeah, just a second.
Let's just move the pack. So just leave that. Let's see.
Okay.
He arranged it.
First one, Florges, Venlux, Juddy. Oh, I can see some Juddigan. Oh, there's something. Sock.
Charizard!
EX. Oh, one more. Oh,
Once again, bro. I can see
there's something at the back.
Fine.
Floaty. And Mega Kangaskhan EX. Wonderful.
Let's just check our
So
cards.
guys, that was just like amazing. So Mega Kangaskhan EX,
Good.
Toxic Rook EX, two of them, two Toxic Rooks, two trainer cards, and this
What?
Charizard. So I have the Charizard. So cool. That's a very good opening. So yeah, and these cards, dumb. These dumb. That's all. Doesn't matter. Already a wonderful start, and now let's go with the pack. Yeah.
Now
Now
it's the time of the 10. Yeah,
the tin, man. Come
Nintendo
on.
seal. We
There
have
has to be something.
We have the official
Hey.
Nintendo seal. Yeah.
That doesn't matter. Oh, we can see our first card and the last card. So, okay, just I'll open that. Yeah,
So
so
these are the cards
we can already see a lit and hollow, so we can keep that at the side. Arcanine. Wait. Don't go so fast. Oh, what is this?
Steenie.
Steenie. Carbonate. How? Stuffle. Go to the back. Go back. Yeah. So,
Cutifly.
yep. Corsola. Dew Spider. Limatrino. Formantis. Torcat. So Shintok. Arquint. Lee. Sparrow. Spearow. So Snubble. Brook. Poliwag, I like that. Alolan Grimo. Caterpie. Incineroar. Go back, dude.
Yeah.
Tasserina. Brion. Professor Kukui. Spinda. Passion. Alolan Rattata. Another Poplio. A Marine. Bounce Beat. I told you to go back. Bounce Beat. Hypno. Metapod. Cloister. Team Skull Crunch. Young Goose. Grappler. Alolan Meowth. Psyduck. Zubat. And the last card, Energy. So, nothing good in that. Sorry, dude.
Swag.
So, nothing in that.
But we got one hollow.
But wonderful opening in this. It was just amazing. So, yeah. Litten. Hollow. Mega Kangaskhan EX. Charizard EX. Lion's Trainer Full Arch. Another one, Lion's Stray Full Arch, and 2 Toxicroak EX.
What a luck.
These cards are absolutely amazing. So guys,
This is the
if
end
you
of the
enjoyed this video, hit a like and subscribe to Angry Chili and comment down how did you like these cards. So bye guys. See you guys later.